Hey, it's summer here, but guess what I'm thinking about? School will be coming back sooner than we think. So, let's take advantage of this time and create a really cool homework station. Or if you're a homeschooler, this would be great for your homeschool area. Just an all-around good study area. So come along with me and you can do it too. To make a homework station, you will need a pegboard. This happens to be a pegboard I made for a customer. This is the frame pegboard where I use the two wood slats and we attach it to the wall that way. You'll also need a dry erase board. This is a magnetic one, so the eraser sticks just fine. And then I took a 16 by 20 frame and installed some metal so that I could have a magnet board to put announcements and assignments and things like that. So, with a few more decor pieces, we'll be all ready to go. Okay, we have the pegboard up on the wall and some of the other accessories. This is a vintage frame that I found, and we had pegboard installed and painted it black. This has been used honestly for a couple years, and I just decided to revamp my homework area. But as you can see, I already have the hooks installed and I'm on my way to some great organization. Okay, looks like I'm making progress. I like to use buckets to organize my supplies, and I'm using a combination of L hooks and J hooks for my pegboard, and I think it looks pretty good. You also see below I added a piece of wood with ceiling hooks screwed in there 6 inches apart, and I just ran out of room on my pegboard. I didn't think I'd have enough room for my supplies, so I can fit 6 more buckets just by adding that wood with 6 buckets. Pretty cool. This homework homeschool area wouldn't be complete without some maps. I mean, whether you are in grade school or later, a map can always be useful for checking out the geographical location of something. So we have a map of the United States as well as a world map. Well, and Ducky the cat decided she had to make an appearance. She just wouldn't let me film anymore. So say hi to Ducky the cat. Hello. Okay, I'm finally done. So excited. I think it's a beautiful place to do homework. Colors are inspiring enough. It would be fun to do homework or school there. So let's take a look. Okay, I have my pegboard. It was framed from a vintage frame that had at least 3/4 inches of depth from the rabbet to the wall, and so the hooks were great in there. We painted it black. I have a piece of wood here with hooks. They are 6 inches apart, and I have buckets that I bought on Amazon. And our magnetic board made it on there, as well as a calendar and our dry erase board that is also magnetic, double bonus. And some clipboards. We actually homeschool, and so these clipboards will come in handy. What a great place to be then to put them on the wall, because let me tell you how many times I have been on the lookout for them. In fact, making this video, I had to go search over the house. Where did somebody put the clipboards? So now they have a place. So glad I finished this up for you. Hopefully this gives you some inspiration for how you would make one in your home. For now, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Let me know what you want to create in your home. Bye-bye.